Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful little bow pattern. It's super simple. Honestly, it's so easy to crochet and it's perfect as a little decoration on a project. This is what I used for my phone case that I made a while back. I will be linking that in the description box. So for this project I used this yarn, which is Sirdar Cotton yarn. This is 100% cotton and it comes in a DK Light 3 yarn. I will be linking all of the materials in the down bar. I also used a 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. As always, the free pattern is available on my blog selinaveronique.com. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and without further ado I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. So to crochet this little bow, it's very easy. Take the pink yarn and make a slip knot. Pop your hook through and tighten, and now we are chaining 40. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once you have 40 chains, it's very simple. We are going to be skipping the first chain from the hook and going directly into the second chain with a slip stitch. So just go ahead and slip stitch through that first chain. Now go ahead and slip stitch through the second chain, and just go ahead and slip stitch through each chain across until you reach the end of this row. Okay, so I finished this part. I fastened off. What I am going to be doing is creating 2 knots with my 2 loose ends, 2 or 3 knots, and you will see why later on. So just delicately do this. So to create your knot, your bow, measure about this length for one side, turn this like that on top of your bow, hold it with your hand, your thumb and finger, and now wrap the rest of the project around and gently pull it through. So this took me a couple of attempts to get it right, but you will get it right. Just adjust your bow as you go along. So it took me a couple of attempts, but this is what I have now, so I'm really pleased with it. So I hope you enjoyed this little bow tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.